In today's lesson, we are still looking at sequence and series. But under the sequence and series, we are looking at geometric progression, GP. Geometric progression. What is a geometric progression? This is a sequence of terms that either increases or decreases by a constant amount called the common ratio. It's a sequence of terms that either increases or decreases by a constant amount called the common ratio. Now, what is the common ratio? This is the ratio of the second to the first term, or the third to the second term, or the fourth to the third term. And the general term of a geometric progression is given by Tn is equal to Arn minus 1. The general term of a geometric progression is given by Tn is equal to Ar raised to power n minus 1. Where your A, as you all know in arithmetic progression, is our first term. Your n, as you know in arithmetic progression, is the number of terms, but R is common ratio. In arithmetic progression, you have what's referred to as a common difference, but in geometric progression, we have what's referred to as common ratio. That's the only difference between arithmetic progression and geometric progression. In geometric progression, also referred to as common ratio, which is the ratio of the second to the first term, the third to the second term, the fourth to the third term. And the Tn, as you also know, is the last term in the sequence. Take for example, write down the first term and the common ratio of the following GP. The first term is the one that comes first. So A, in this case, will be 64, which is this one that comes first in the sequence. And our common ratio R will be the ratio of the second to the first term, the third to the second term, the fourth to the third term, and it will be the same throughout if it is a geometric progression GP. So this will be equal to 32 over 64, or it can be 16 over 32, or it can be 8 over 16. So if you reduce any of the three, you are going to have R is equal to 1 over 2. So that is the common ratio. For this second one, our first term should be equal to 1 over 4. Then our common ratio will be minus 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. So you have minus 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. So that will give us 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. So our common ratio here will be equal to minus 2. So we can still look at this third one also. Our first term A will still be 0.05, while our common ratio will be 0.5 over 0.05. Then in that case, our common ratio 0.5 divided by 0.05. That will give us 10. So this is how to get the first term and the common ratio of a geometric progression. More examples are still coming under geometric progression. So you should do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that in case we drop more examples on the geometric progression, you'll be the first to know and watch, and share it also for those that may need it. Thank you.